Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Credit Karma's loan recommendations. Let's get straight into the video. First thing you want to do is to log into your Credit Karma account, and once you're logged into your account, either on the mobile app or on the official website, just click on the loans tab. Next, you're going to want to answer a few questions about your loan needs and preferences. And you can view Credit Karma's recommended loans based on your credit profile. You can compare the rates, terms, and features of the recommended loans to find the one that's best for you. And once you find it, you want to apply for a loan through Credit Karma, and you're gonna receive a notification when you're approved for a loan. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Credit Karma's loan recommendations. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.